on the experimental features. Bear in mind, this is being turned on only for the current logged in user. I will go and turn this on and click save. And once you do this, it will refresh the page. Basically refresh your flow. Now in my case, since I did not save those changes, if you notice when the screen refreshed, I lost those changes. So make sure you have saved all your changes first before you switch over to the experimental features. If I was to add that same compose action, this time we don't get that pop-up dialog experience. Rather, we get this new experience. The first one is dynamic content and the second one is expressions. And the expression box here is extremely large. And to get to the list of all the functions, that's the link right here. If we select this, we are back to the reference guide for expressions. Now let's take an example of another string function. We'll pick replace. So I'll just go ahead and copy the sample example, go back to flow, paste my function right here. We do not have any button that we need to click. The way you save the expression is literally by just clicking out. Also, if for some reason there is an error in the syntax, if I click out, it will let me know that there is an error. What is the error? The expression editor does not specify that. In case of the classic editor, it won't allow you to even save that expression until you correct it. So once I've fixed it, if I select out, if the expression is correct, we can see the expression function show up. If I was to run this flow, if you look at the output here, it's the new string. In this flow, I've gone ahead and plugged in some of the most commonly used string functions. We have a string function called substring, wherein you can define the index from which you would like to begin the substring from, and then put in the length of how many characters you want from that string. In my case here, go from 0 to 5, basically pick the word power. Here is an example of nested expressions related to string functions. I'm using concatenate. So concatenate random GUID. There is a function called GUID that randomly generates a